Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Brothers, Alhamdulillah, on the final day of Hijrah, we rested the night in Wadi Aqiq. The next morning, we freshened up and we also wore white clothes, like how the Prophet ﷺ wore white clothes, preparing the entry into Medina. Thereafter, we went to Qarin Sariha, is a little hillock, a hilltop, where the Prophet ﷺ also passed by, and the young Sahaba, Fudala bin Ubaid radiallahu anhu, says that we were picking up some sticks and we seen the Prophet ﷺ. Prophet ﷺ then told us to go and tell the people of Medina that he is arriving.
يا وليد
في اثنين ناقصين.
يا عبد الله تميمي ماجد شيخ ماجد زبير معصوم عبد المتين عثمان إسماعيل
مولانا صاحب الشعب.
Alhamdulillah, we are now near Medina, and we know that the Prophet ﷺ had spent the night in Wadi Aqiq, and this is where the Prophet ﷺ prayed as well. And the next day, the Prophet ﷺ wore those white clothes that Zubair bin Awam radiallahu anhu gave him as a gift. And then he told his companions that who will guide me to Bani Amr bin Auf's homes, and that was on the south of Medina, so it was not on the main route. So Mas'ud bin Hunayda said, I will guide you, O Prophet ﷺ. And it is mentioned that they had passed through the Wadi Khakh. This is what you see behind, they passed through Rawdatu Khakh. This is what you see behind us. This area is known as Rawdatu Khakh. Thereafter, they will be moving on to
درب الظبي أو طريق الظبي.
Darb al-Dhabi. And this is on the eastern side of Jabal Air. So these are the paths that the Prophet ﷺ took to Medina.